Okay, Unit 3, page 3 of Graded English. Okay, today, the keywords: today, Friday, market, kede, villages, plantain, cocoyam, cassava, money, things, fish, salt, soap, station, busy. What do you see in the picture? So when we come to the picture, you can see people selling, and then people are also buying, and the market is full of people. Activities are going on. The market is a busy market. People are very busy in the market because talking, selling, buying. You can see that it is a very noisy place. So let's come to the passage itself. Today is Friday. It is a market day at Kede. It is a market day at Kede. There are many villages near Kede. There are many villages near Kede. Kede is the name of a place. Many people come to Kede market every Friday. Many people come to Kede market every Friday. They come to sell plantain, cocoyam, and cassava. They come to sell plantain, cocoyam, and cassava. They get money to buy many things. They get money to buy many things. They buy fish, salt, and soap. They buy fish, salt, and soap. The market is near the lorry station. The market is near the lorry station. It is a busy market. So if you want some of these books to buy and you are in Ghana, you can go to any bookshop and say you want to buy Graded English reader for primary schools. The book 1 is what we are going through. Okay.